What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have baby Groot. So focusing on his face mostly because I think the request, someone said you should draw baby Groot because he's really cute. I was like, okay, let's do it. So let's do a portrait of him with his big eyes, right? So I'm on landscape paper. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast, right? When I move my hand. So yeah, right. So let's start with his eyes. Center point out here. We're going to come down a little bit just to fit in like his tree-like head, right? So we're going to come down to here. We start with his big eyes, right? So it curves up and around. There. And then you got the tear duct, and then it comes down around the other side. Like so. You can't really see the edge of his iris. It's kind of like brown and black. We'll draw it in because we should see it, right? So we're going to go edge of his iris just there, right in here. And then his pupil, real big black sort of circle. So you can just see like a bracket sort of shape around here. Right, and of course, you'd color that black and leave like a white highlight somewhere, say like here, right? Maybe two. You could do as much as you want, but there as well, maybe. That's what makes his eyes big and cute looking, kind of, right? And you can just color around that dark black. And another option that some people like to do, instead of like leaving the section white, they color the whole lot, and then on top they add like a little dot with like white paint or something, sort of like that. You know, it's just like an extra touch. You know, use Tipex or white paint or something, and it just makes it look shiny as well. So we'll just go over and we'll do the other eye. So the eyes are quite close together on this character because they're so big. So I'd say it's like half an eye will fit in between. Maybe like here to here. Sort of definitely fit. Maybe 3/4 will fit in between. It's not a full eye. If you went a full eye, you'd go too far. See? So it's nearly a full eye. It's probably like 3/4 of an eye fits in between. And then we go up and around again. And then down around here. Right, and then his iris line, like the brown part of his eye on the edges just there. And then the black part of his eye, real big. Coming around there. And again, you want to leave your highlight and you want to do them on the same sort of side. You know, you want to see it here and here. And then color it in. And just to keep things consistent, I'll put another dot just here. All right, so his sort of nose line is in here, right? So he's got like this sort of shadowy kind of nose line inside there. Right, and then he's got some eyelid sort of lines coming around, right? So coming around here and around the bottom as well. Like so. And then he's got like these big eyebrows. So one of them is like bendy, like coming down this way. Right? And the other one's a little bit more normal. So it like comes down like so. This could like touch his nose line. And maybe like another sort of eyelid line here. Like a light one. Like so. So it's all like wooden texture and stuff, but we'll just get in the main shapes first. So his mouth, right, he's got like this dimply sort of smile. So it curves around with like dimples sort of on the side like that. And then like a bottom lip sort of area there. And his chin, just down here. Okay, so his face goes all the way around, right? So it'll go really U-shaped sort of thing. Right, like that. And this will come up to like a broken sort of tree trunk sort of effect up the top, right? So it goes like up like that. Sticks out a little bit further on this side. Up and in, right? And then we have all these cracks and stuff in the head, right? So it just like bumps around. It's kind of green at the top. And there's loads of texture on this, but we'll just get the main parts in first. Darker in there. Cross, down, into there. Right, and then thicker sorts of lines. All these cracks and stuff coming down. Some on his face as well. Right, sort of like that, and he seems to have a little leaf like growing out like a tree, sort of starting to grow up here. Coming out of his head. Right, and then his neck. So he's got like this skinny little neck, right? And it has like 3 branches kind of effect, right? Which has like texture all going around it. That, and maybe like another sort of area in there. And then his trapezius sort of goes down this way. This goes down off my page that way. And like, it's all wooden and textured and stuff. Lots of texture lines on it. Because he is a tree. And then I'm just thicken up some of these lines for the edges of things. Maybe at the top of his head as well. Helps things stand out a little bit. Right, but that I think is basically that. How to draw Baby Groot. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.